So see question number 5. So a conference hall is this is a conference hall, okay, and 14-meter long. So here length is what, 14-meter, and wide is what, 8-meter. So this conference hall wide is 8-meter and height is what, 4-meter, okay. So there are four windows and one door, and length is 2-meter and 1-meter, and windows are there. So four windows, their length is 1.1 meter by 10-meter, okay. So here this will be 1.5, okay. So there I have written 10, so this would be 1.5 meters. So windows length is what, 1.5 meter. There are four windows, right? So there are four windows, okay. There, except these windows and door, we need to paint of this wall, right? So first of all, we'll find out the area of four windows and area of doors. If this subtract this area of doors and windows from this total area of the wall, then we'll get the area where we need to paint, okay. So first we'll write in the solution area of four doors, and you see their doors and windows are like rectangle shape, right? So we'll use the rectangle formula. Area of rectangle, so area of windows, there are how many windows are there? Four windows. So we'll multiply sign will give 4 into length plus sorry, length into breadth, because area of the rectangle formula is length into breadth. So 4 into length into breadth, okay. So here in next 4 into length is what, windows length is 1.5, and breadth is what, 1, okay. So now 1 meter. So this is area, so unit will be meter square, okay. So 4 then 1.5 into 1.5, then there will be 1.5 meter square, okay. So now we'll multiply this 4 into 1.5, then it will be 6.0 meter square, okay. So the area of the windows now total area, right, of these four windows. Now next we'll find out the area of door. So area of door is what, length, so you know it is also rectangle shape, so length into breadth. So area of a door length is what, 2 meter, and breadth is what, 1 meter, right? So 2 into 1, 1 meter square. So we now we got the area of door, okay. So now next what we'll do, we'll find out the area of the walls total, because there is four walls is there, uh, right. So we'll paint only four walls, okay. So for these four walls, if we subtract the windows part and area of the door parts, then we'll get the area where we need to paint. So as before, there are four windows is there, right, okay. So next we'll write area of the walls. So there, this is called surface area, because we see there four side four side area we need to paint. So area of walls equal to will write, this is this four side we need to find the area, right? So we'll use the lateral surface area, okay. So this is we'll say this is LSA. So that means lateral surface area. So here we'll write LSA. So this is a cubic shape in this cuboid shape of this hole is, right. So lateral surface area of a cuboid will be like that. So 2 into L plus B into H. Okay, because lower parts and upper part no need to add there. Okay, so only the four ones. So here L is what, 14 meter. That means length is 14 meter and breadth is what, there is 4 meter, sorry, 8 meter. And brackets, outside bracket, height is what, 4 meter. So lateral surface area formula 2 into L plus B into H. Okay, so there 2, 14 plus 8 is what, 22. Okay, okay, and then 4 I will write here. Okay, now this 4 will multiply with this 2, then 4 2 ja 8, and then 22 multiply with 22. So here 4 into 2 what, 8, and multiply sign will give, and this 22 will multiply with this 8, then unit will be square because this is area, right? So now if you multiply this 8 into 22, then there will get 176 meters square. Okay, so this is the area of what, wall, total area of these walls. Okay, four walls. So here now next we'll write the area of the remaining area of the walls need to paint. Here we'll write therefore area of the walls, what we'll do, from this total area of the wall, if I subtract the area of windows plus area of door, then we'll get the area where need to paint. So here we'll write area of wall, that means lateral surface area, area of walls minus area of door plus area of windows. There are four windows already. We got area of this windows is what, 6, and area of door is what, got 2 meter square, right? So we'll write there area, so see this question properly. And okay, so area of door plus area of windows I have written here. Okay, now then you see area of wall is what, 176 meter square, minus sign will give, and inside this bracket we'll write the area of door is what, 2 meter square, there will write 2 meters square. Okay, and then area of windows is what, 6 meter square. So after that we'll give plus sign, and then we'll write area of window 6 meter, and then after we'll now see 176 meter, and then 2 plus 6 is what, 8. So 8 meter square will subtract 176 meter square minus 8 meters, then there will be 164 meter square. Okay, so now according to question, how many liters are needed to paint the wall if 1 liter enough for covering 18 meters square? So here we'll write question number 5a. So for here we'll write, okay, wait for some time. There will write the paint required for 18 meter square. Okay, here question number A given. So 1 liter is enough for covering 18 meter square. So paint required for 18 meter square is what, 1 liter. Okay, Then we have how much area to need to paint? 164 meters square, right? So here we'll use this area. So paint required for, here we'll write paint required for 164 meters square equal to this 164 by 18. Okay, so if I cut this one, then we'll get by 2, then there will be 882. Okay, if I cut by 2, then there will be 82, and denominator by cut by 2, then there will be 9. Okay, here I have written, you see, from 176 minus uh, 8, then I have written what? 168. This 164, this will be 168. So here we'll write 168. So this will be 168, not 164. Okay, uh, so here you make it correct. So 176 meters square minus 8 meters square is 168 meters. So now I have written your 168 meter by 8. So if I divide by this 168 by 2, then there will be 84 and denominator will be 9. And again, if I cut by 3, then there will be 28 and denominator cut by 9, there is 3. So now you see numerator is what? 28 by 3, right? And now we'll convert into mixed number. Then there will be 3 ninja. How much? 3 ninja 27, right? So here we'll write 9 1 by 3. Okay, so for how how many liters of what paint required? So now 1 by 3 liters paint required to, to paint this wall. Okay, so now next question number B, what will be the cost of painting hall if 1 liter cost is rupees 225? So we have now 9 1 by 2 liter, what, 9 1 by 2 liter paint required to complete this wall to paint. Okay, so cost of 1 liter is what? 225. Then here 9 1 by 3 liter paint required, so the cost will be, if I multiply this cost of 1 liter petrol to this 9 with this 9 1 by 3 liter, then we'll get the total cost. So here question number this B will write cost of 1 liter rupees 225, and the cost of 9 1 by 3 liter equal to rupees 225 into 9 1 by 3. Okay, so 9 1 by 3. Now we'll cut now this 22 25 will write 225 will write, and then you see this mixed number 9 1 by 3, so it will be 28 by 3. Okay, 9 3 are 27 plus 1 28. So there will be multiply sign will give, and there will write after rupees 225 into sign will give, and then we'll write 28 by 3. Okay, there what will write? So wait, see, there will write 28 by 3. Then we'll cut this numerator by 3 and denominator by 3, then there will get 75 into 20 28. Then there 25 into 28, then it will be rupees what? 2100. Okay, this is required cost to paint the wall. Okay, so